Sometimes when I step back and look at life from a distance, it feels strangely meaningless, and nothing came with a built in purpose. And everything seems to be running on the principles of cause and effect, which makes me feel depressed, and the joy around life seems to be diminishing. But when I stand on the shoulders of the giants, I can see far. As Buckminster Fuller says it, that how does it feel to be on a spaceship? And my friend, exactly how do you feel every now and then? We are the astronauts of this spaceship Earth, which is 8,000 miles in diameter, which is basically negligible in comparison to the vastness of the universe, which is running at a speed of 60,000 miles an hour around the mother sun. And the outstandingly interesting and important fact about the spaceship Earth is that it came with no instruction manual, which gives us the power to build our own. The second realization is the concept of emergent systems, which arises from the thought that if the parts are governed by the laws of determinism and causality, how can the whole exhibit freedom? How can the whole be greater than the sum of its part? But we know we empirically experience choice, dilemma, conflicts, and emotions, intentions, and the relief of making a choice if done. So there is basically two things: the sum of parts and the interactions and relationship between those parts. And these two combined constitutes the whole. Just like hydrogen is highly flammable and oxygen supports fire burning, but those two elements combined gives rise to water. And this is the proof that the whole exhibiting the properties which are not seen in the parts of it. And when these parts stop interacting and the sum stays, the whole vanishes. And my friend, that is a dead parrot. And when I come to these epiphanies, these few wonderful epiphanies, I get a hope and the power to build our meaning, which are not based on our basal instincts, and make this life on this pale blue dot very interesting and joyful and filled with compassion, thereby considering the growth and the good of all the species around.